All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Wednesday adjectives. So, award. Award. Having won a prize and is recognized as higher or better quality than others. This is an award-winning lesson. I wrote those award-winning books. Yes. It is an award-winning house. Or even something given as a prize for doing something else. A prize, like a trophy. This is my latest. This was my award for winning the race. Winning the race, yes. This house is an award. Yeah. I got it as an award. I got it as an award. Very nice. I, subject, got it, verb, it, object. Adjective, award. Nice. So, I am award. Would you say that? I'm award. I have been awarded. That's a verb. This is my award. This is the biggest award. My award. My award, you say? My award. It's a noun then. Okay. My award. You work with it. Okay. So, let's have this then. They won the money. They won the awarded money. This is the biggest award-winning novel. Yeah. We look forward to another award-winning film. These are different kinds of award-winning books. These poems won these poems were these award poems. These award poems make sense. These award poems make sense. Those award medals are unique. Yes. Yeah. How cool is that? Because it's a way of recognizing higher quality, and it's a prize. The award money, the award prize, the award book. This book was awarded to me. It is the award prize. Yeah. How cool is that? So he has an award. He has a big reward. That's a noun though. He has an award-winning novel. Yeah, an award-winning novel. Very good. She is an award-winning writer. Makes sense. Yeah. It is our award. That's a noun. So it is the award-losing novel. It did not win the award. Award-losing. They were an award-winning team. It is the award for winning first place. Yeah, award, like a trophy. Yeah. How cool is that? So, award. Having won a prize and is recognized as something higher or better quality. Award-winning food. Award-winning book. Award-winning film. Award-winning play. Award-winning shirt. Yeah. How cool is that? So can you use award in a sentence? And can you write that sentence in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe. More videos and lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram by looking for English with Adrian. Yeah, and you can find me on Udemy too by looking at Adrian Nanchev. By searching Adrian Nanchev, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.